This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do lobster fishing in Fisch. This exciting update introduces a brand new way to catch creatures from the deep. You can now discover 14 unique types of lobsters across both the first and second seas. To begin your adventure, you will need to acquire specialized equipment and explore new areas designed for this activity. Get ready to dive into a fresh and rewarding fishing experience and expand your collection. To start your lobster fishing journey, first visit a utility shipwright in either the first or second sea to purchase a utility boat. These special boats are essential for spotting lobster pools. Next, buy some lobster cages. Options range from basic old cages to more effective premium cages. Once equipped, sail your utility boat into the ocean and look for distinct red patches of water, which indicate lobster pools. Once you find a lobster pool, you can deploy up to 5 cages at a time. After tossing your cages, a short countdown will begin. When the timer finishes, a minigame will appear on your screen. To successfully catch a lobster, you must click or tap precisely when the moving bar aligns with the white zone within the circle. Success means a new lobster for your bestiary, while failure might mean an empty cage. Beyond collecting the 14 unique lobsters for your bestiary, there are special challenges. Visit Chef Larry on lobster shores to complete quests and earn lobster rolls. These rolls are crucial for obtaining cursed cages. Ultimately, you can attempt to summon the legendary Lobster King by placing 6 specific items, including a lobster roll and shiny lobsters, at an altar in Netter's Haven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.